Alright guys, here is part 2 of my video that I posted not too long ago about the on-site, kind of like the shutdown of on-site post COVID-19. Prior to, of course, everybody was on-site working, doing a whole lot of stuff. This time around, we have to come in, pack up our things to leave. And we've been gone for a while, me and my team, but I came in to clean house. So as you can see, we have so many different things here to get rid of. Old items, things that has expired, and just a lot of things that I may want to still take back home. My son was in here, of course, helping me here and there, keeping me company. That's an old lotion bottle. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this mask. So I had a major cold congestive issue at this time when I came in to pack up, and I didn't want the dust to irritate me, so I had to wear my mask. My son is also someone who's a stickler for masks, so he would put his off and on, but that's why I had mine on. Even though there was nobody in the building, I still wanted to be safe so I don't get any worse than I was. Okay guys, look at this mess. Now I love plants and I used to keep them in my office, so everything is dead right about now. I wanted to keep this pot, but I think I ended up throwing it away. Didn't want to keep it if it's been here for years, and with the COVID situation, didn't want to take anything back home. I think it was a blessing for a lot of us in the healthcare industry who do not have direct patient care contact to be able to go work from home. I think COVID gave an opportunity for industries, organizations to be able to test out what it would be. If we do have a situation like this, can people still maintain their jobs, still help and assist patient in the healthcare industry? And not just healthcare industry overall, is it possible for people to still work from their homes? Now, this is something that I thought was so important back in the days, years ago. I know with the coding arena, they usually work from home prior to COVID, but this granted an opportunity for many who were able to work from home. I do love working from home. I do miss coming into my office. As you can see, I had a nice, lovely space, huge desk, lots and lots of different people that you get to network with. At times like this is when it's truly important. So I kind of packed up everything I needed, and then I also wanted to go and look at other things that I need to look at in my area within the building to see if there's anything that I missed out on and things that I need to take or trash, because once the people who are going to be cleaning in-house after we're done, everything is gone. So you either take it or it's going to get trashed. So that was my process to make sure I go through everything. Here is the second floor of our area. We did have the CBO office, Central Building office up here, conference room, where we had our meetings, our monthly department meetings with the different leadership groups. Sometimes I will pull my team up in here in case we need to have a larger group of meeting. It will be in the conference room. So you could see everything is kind of like ghost town. Lots and lots of empty chairs, empty space, empty hallways. And it's just amazing what the impact of COVID has done in our industry, in different communities, in different areas, spaces, office building. But I like the fact that they are remodeling the space. The only thing is that we won't get to enjoy the space. But yes, I would take working from home before anything else. All right, let's head back downstairs. So as you can see, even the elevator needs work to be done. A lot of office, organization, people, traffic in and out of this elevator, but I guess because the building is empty and not a lot of people are using it, they're taking their time to get this done. But you can tell they're still working on this particular elevator. So I decided to go ahead and look through the other section of the building. My own was towards the right side, so I wanted to look at what's going on towards the front end of the building. And we used to have a pub here where you can grab coffee, donuts, sandwiches, soup. Everything is empty. They have remodeled and pulled in these gold beams and the nice wall panels, and it looks really beautiful. So I'm going to miss all of this. I think eventually they're going to lease this out to other companies. You could see outside they're still working on the parking lot and so many different things. And usually that's what happens. You know, one goes out, the other one comes in. So lots of renovation, lots of work that they're doing to get this building together. All right, y'all, so we are at the end of this video. Just wanted to show you guys some things. I decided to stop at the Dutch Market where I used to grab some of my favorite items. Now, make sure you subscribe, like, and always support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.